Open ShadowPrep.versal.app. Navigate to the home page. Click Download for Windows. If you see a first-time security notice, this is expected. ShadowPrep is a new application. Windows may display a warning while reputation is being established. Click More Info. Then select Run Anyway to proceed safely. Installation completes in seconds. ShadowPrep will now launch. Once the interface appears, open Settings. Scroll to the Authentication section. Link your email to enable ShadowSync. Click Send. Enter the one-time verification code. Click Verify. When the indicator turns green, cloud linking is complete. Now we'll complete the AI integration. In the Setup section, click Go to Ollama. Continue with Google and finish signing in. Once inside, open your Profile menu and navigate to Settings. Then select Keys. Click Add API Key, then generate a new key. Copy the generated key immediately. Return to ShadowPrep, open Settings, and scroll to the Authentication section. Paste your Ollama API key into the designated field. Next, click Go to Deepgram. Sign in using Google. Skip the onboarding steps if prompted. Navigate to API keys and create a new key. Name it anything you prefer. Generate the key and copy the secret key. Return to ShadowPrep and paste the Deepgram secret key into the appropriate field. Click Save. Reopen Settings. Scroll to Authentication. All indicators should now turn green. Your system is fully connected. To verify, open the Chat module and send a test prompt. Response received. ShadowPrep is now fully operational.